guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we're making some oatmeal carrots banana smoothie, guys. I love carrots, so off to a straightforward healthy dose of goodness. And I will be listing all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now at this time, I'm not going to be using any essence or any sugar into mine. Feel free to add any type of sweetener and essence into yours. And since I'm using the NutriBullet, my NutriBullet cup is a small one, so I'm going to be doing it in different batches. So what I'm going to be doing is add my oatmeal, grated nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, some freshly grated carrots, ripe banana, and you can use any type of milk. I also did add a little bit of water. Why I'm using the NutriBullet is because it gives me a much smoother finish, guys. You can use another high-powered blender. Whatever you have, you can use it, all right? Then I'm going to add the cover onto this, and I'm going to blend it away, guys, until it is smooth and nice. Now you can chill and serve, all right? So I'm doing this in little batches until I'm all done. Once it's done, it's just time to pour. Well, I'm using mine as is. I'm not a sweet person. Like I said earlier, add any type of sweetener into yours. Look at how smooth this is. Very satisfying, very rich. It keeps you full, man. So yes, healthy. And this is the way to go, guys. So yes, give it a try and leave me a comment below, guys. So stay with me for many more simple, easy recipes. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.